Hello everybody, myself Jayashree Shastri from Marathwada Institute of Technology Aurangabad. Today we are going to discuss about some basic terms in electrochemistry. After completing this lecture, you will be able to state the Ohm's law. You will be able to define the basic terms in electrochemistry. As you know that the hindrance provided by solution on the passage of current is called resistance, and every substance offers resistance to the flow of electricity to some extent. This resistance is calculated by Ohm's law. It states that if the voltage V is applied to the ends of conductor and the current I flows through it, then R equal to V upon I. If V is equal to 1 volt and current it is 1 ampere, then resistance is 1 ohm. Like all metallic conductors, electrolytic solutions obey Ohm's law. Greater is the resistance, lesser will be the flow of electricity through it. Now some basic terms in electrochemistry. First term is specific resistance denoted by rho. The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to its area of cross section. That is, R is directly proportional to L upon A. R is equal to rho into L upon A, where R is resistance, L is length of conductor, A is area of cross section, and rho is constant of proportionality known as specific resistance. So, rho equal to Ra divided by L. If A is equal to 1 unit and L is equal to 1 unit, then rho equal to R. So, the specific resistance is the resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section. In case of electrolytic solution, specific resistance of a solution is a resistance of 1 cubic centimeter solution. Its unit is ohm centimeter or ohm meter. Now second term is specific conductance denoted by small kappa. Specific conductance is the inverse of resistivity. Small kappa equal to 1 upon rho, and as we know that rho is equal to Ra upon L, we can write it as small kappa equal to L upon Ra. So specific conductance is the conductance shown by a conductor having unit length and unit area of cross section. It is the conductance of 1 cubic centimeter of solution. Its units are ohm inverse per centimeter or mhos per centimeter or Siemens per centimeter. Also, if the distance between electrodes is measured in terms of meter, units are ohm inverse per meter or mhos per meter or Siemens per meter. Now, equivalent conductance denoted by lambda equivalent. Equivalent conductance of a solution at a dilution V is defined as the conductance of all the ions produced from 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte dissolved in V cubic centimeter of a solution when distance between the electrodes is of unit distance having unit area of cross section. Therefore, equivalent conductivity equal to specific conductance into volume. Lambda equivalent equal to small kappa into V, that is equal to small kappa into 1000 cubic centimeter divided by N, where N is the normality of solution, V is the volume of solution containing 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte, small kappa is specific conductance. Its units are ohm inverse centimeter square per equivalent or mhos centimeter square per equivalent or Siemens centimeter square per equivalent. Also the units are ohm inverse meter square per equivalent or mhos meter square per equivalent or Siemens meter square per equivalent. Now the molar conductance denoted by lambda m. Molar conductivity of a solution at a dilution V is the conductance of all the ions produced from 1 mole of the electrolyte dissolved in V cubic centimeter of the solution when electrodes are 1 centimeter apart with unit area of cross section. Therefore, lambda m equal to small kappa into 1000 cubic centimeter divided by m, where m is molarity. Its units are ohm inverse centimeter square per mole or moles centimeter square per mole or Siemens centimeter square per mole. Also, the units are ohm inverse meter square per mole, moles meter square per mole or Siemens meter square per mole. Now cell constant. The ratio of length of conductor to the area of conductor is known as cell constant. Cell constant is equal to L upon A, as we know that small kappa is equal to L upon Ra, therefore L upon A is equal to small kappa into R. That is, cell constant is equal to specific conductance into resistance. So cell constant is also defined as the ratio of specific conductance to the observed conductance. Its unit is centimeter inverse or meter inverse. Thank you.